Reasonings. That's not him. Sitting down with the console. Like going like this.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, wadi sipu, wala di telbeji dayo. Blair Gould Deluisi, Niga no skokchidem ke.
Goemedawalot yo Deluisi Alun Jadora Aish Nina Beluguem K.
Alright, so happy and so excited to welcome you to another year. I just want to introduce the prizes that will be delivered to schools this week. It's a 32 gigabyte iPad 7th generation with an Apple Pencil. So that'll be your gift for participating today to all the schools. First of all, I'd like to welcome everybody who entered the contest for the Christmas card, something very exciting and something very brand new that we tried this year. So happy to announce the winners. For kindergarten to grade 2, and we'll bring up the pictures that they entered. Sophia Jidor from Miaubugit. Beautiful art, Sophia. Waladiek. Grades 3 to 5. Jason Marshall, Bodlodek. Jason.
Oh, well, Dick.
Grades 6 to 8. Uwabu Gwyn, Rich, from Shesheshi. Wiltig, very nice, thank you. And grades 9 to 12, Taylor Stevens, Esasoni, Eskasoni. And Taylor's art made it to our Christmas card that we have developed here for MK. So thank you very much. We hope to do more contests like this, and we hope that more and more of you join and participate each year. I want to welcome a very special guest coming to us satellite from Sibiganegadik LSK School, Dr. Bernie Francis, to sing us a couple of opening songs. Bernie, amen.
Oh, our microphones are muted.
You got Kenya? There you go.
Midowlin, Bernie.
Oh,
Noodle.
all right, you got the deal.
Oh, Eli.
Really?
Oh, that got the will, yeah. I went down to Begasin, that's a big negative. I just for you know.
Oh, Ahnin. Goyaltu mo yakiskog.
Det er så buksugo, hvis den jo ser mig an. Der er bare skøj med nu igen.
Personal favorites, Elwin? Opa, do you ka happy day,
Chestnuts.
All right, go.
Their volume.
And again, no.
It's just we couldn't see.
Jiksen magudik menahanige Welit para wadate Abuk jig zandig lazuruades Pedaulat tel babidahan Awezazi bigwel kahanich kahan Ahalbaduji kahebideji Ulidi bialasid marida Dagilo, Chicks Magunin in a honey Really far chicks Sunday class do what is Bedaulat Bobby Dahan Where's as he big will Rich Kahan Ahabaruji Kahebi Deji Ulini Bialazur Marida Ahabaruji Ahebi Deji Ulini Bialazur Marida.
Molly.
This comes Molly.
Ako ya.
Apuk tu? Huh? Apuk tu kan? Oh.
Is it turned down again?
Oh.
It glitched. It glitched. That's trippy.
Oh, does the camera change?
All right.
You can hear us?
Nu doe je het?
Yeah.
All right. Doe dat eens. Ah, dit doe het.
Oh, yeah.
Did you hear? Perfect. And there I've got a good backup.
Excellent backup. All right, wala yung Bernie Dalit Kuiwig, wala Christmas concert iminen. Now we're going to Elsie Buktuk School. Elsie Buktuk, are you online? Unmute your microphone.
Yeah, we're here.
Perfect.
Yay.
And this is grade 4. This is a grade 4 classroom. And we're going to hear Jingle Bells.
We have two songs, Jingle Bells and Joy to the World, but we're singing math. We're doing a math performance.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. Take it away, Elsie Buktuk Waladiag.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. That was fun. Hey! 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now we're done. Nice job. Now, what do you say? We're not done. 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. We're fun. Hey! 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now we're done. 30. Now we're done.
Now we have Okay, we have Joy to the World.
Oh, we're not done.
Great job. Now let's try a little bit faster. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32. But don't stop yet. We can't forget. 36 and 40. 36 and 40. That's how we multiply by 4, you see. That's how we multiply by 4, you see. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Awesome.
Good job. Tulog Talara Halio. That was so unique.
Are you singing one more? Or that was 2? Thank you very much. That was so awesome. We're going to make sure that we show Kyla and Bob your fun expressions with math through song. Up next, we have Set Donaway, Ginamad Nwogom, grade 3. Are you online? Where, Miss Angela? What is you?
Oh, Angela.
LTMD Giskuk Set Donaway. Welka Haniguk Sit Hamu, Archijuechko. Abu Gotabegyahan. 2 songs for us today. Amquest ni nudum wilka honey go sit hamul nuitu. Well, all the Gaham kugua. Gilnige.
All right, next up we have. Where you go?
Sit down away.
Oh,
All right.
Wow. All right, next up we have Allison Bernard Memorial High, grade 9s to 12. El Temi, the next one, Debbie, she gets on.
Okay, then. Come again.
Do we have to move up? I believe we have to move up. Wow.
I don't want to be in the middle.
We don't have other guys.
Rita, Hamas, in it.
Oh, sorry.
What is this?
Big room.
Can we squish in more?
We gotta be in a line.
No, here we got three. Let's see. You go again. You go. I'll stand right here.
On 3?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Gilawalayan, Tunquest Kapelaman, Chinis Kamituajich, Ula Gedwisadawiajinungu, Iwunahashkaluaden, Yakchuleden, Wasoliden, Afrewaden Sesus, Ula Gedwisadawiajinungu.
So, next up, we have Escazoni Elementary and Junior High. Miss Bobley Dennis's class. Grade 3 to 4. Elbadu Jish Habide Jish Otemid. So,
Can you unmute your microphone, Bob?
All right, you do it yet?
oh yes, eh?
Okay, no. Ready? Up, up, up.
Not you guys.
Go, doggy, no. Hi, Mr. Marsh. All right, ready?
I can see myself in the camera.
Up next, we have Member 2 School. Can you unmute your microphone? We have the girls' choir, the teacher, Miss Sampson, and the song they'll be singing is Mary, Did You Know? Are you online? Perfect. I'll give you a couple seconds to set up, and you can take it away.
Sons and daughters, did you know
Good job.
Thank you. Very good job. Up next, we have Unusibu Ginamanuogo. Can you unmute your microphone, Miss Gould? And we have grade 3.
Okay.
And we're going to listen to today Welka Haniguksit Hamu.
You do we at?
And Udalek.
Yeah.
Now, double. Kahane nases kamu, Jesus na pegisin, que kamu malumali, jepantadu, que dagaliasas kamu, atau isis kamu, que dabegia usis kamu.
Well done.
Well done.
I just want to do another quick announcement of our winners who are taking home iPads with Apple Pencils. And those are K-2. Again, I want to do a special acknowledgement. Sophia Jidor, Miao Bugeg. And I believe we're going to show her art on the screen here.
A minute now.
In one second.
Technical difficulties.
Here we go. Well, Aliek Sophia Jidor. Grades 3 to 5. Jason Marshall, Bodlodeg. Well, Aliek Jason Wiltig.
Wiltig. This is grade 6 to 8. Wapaquin Rich from Shishishi. Beautiful job, Wapaquin.
And grades 9 to 12. Taylor Stevens. That's a Sohani. Well, Aliek.
Beautiful.
And the art that is displayed on our MK Christmas concert card, going out to all of our partners and communities, is the artwork by Taylor Stevens. Seen here. Well, Aliek. All right, we're going to go next to Muin Cebu School. Miss Nadia, are you online? I can come back. Up next, we're going to connect with Wigoma School. Miss Paulette Amen.
Salud.
Salud.
Technical difficulties.
Okay. Up next, we have Pictou Landing. Miss Endicott, Amen.
How do we say this? We're here.
So we have grades P to 6 singing to us this morning. O Stohanjij. Take it away, Pictou Landing.
This is the song that we sang we had the opportunity to go see the tree chopped down for the Boston, to go to Boston from Nova Scotia. So this is the song we sang.
Wow, that's so special.
Awesome.
All right, are we ready? Okay. 1, 2.
Well done. Up next we have Eskinobidich. Are you online, Mr. McMillan?
Here.
Perfect. So we have grade 5 with us today, singing a song, Willie Nuelewi. Take it away, Eskinobidich.
1, 2, 3, go.
Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Anidapta Pusunamane. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Anidapta Pusunamane. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero and felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero and felicidad. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Anidapta Pusunamane. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Willie Nuelewi. Anidapta Pusunamane. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Willie Nuelewi.
Wait.
Well done. Up next we have, we're going back to Muin Cebu School, Miss Nadia. We have grades P to 3. Singing to us 2 songs. Willie Nibiel Sudama, Achijuechko. Are you online, Muin Cebu? Oh, eh. Well, yes, Sifu.
Can you see us?
Yep, we see you.
Okay, they can see us, guys.
Okay. All right.
School, Mr. Chesson, are you online?
Mesmo set up hoje, né, Blur?
Okay, so we'll go to
Okay.
ESK. Miss Denny, amen. All right, so we have grade 3. Eltemi dich Ubadu jish kahebide jish. Take it away, ESK.
Geluktelada hadio. Menjuaji istut.
All right, Miguel Wego Hama, Miss Polydamon. Will you see who we do it? Oh, the
Yes, we do like Charlotte. Salud.
So grade 4 with us today, 2 songs or 2 performances. Mekuda de Sunday class, dance deck the halls. Take it away. Your microphone is on mute still?
We're not good. Now we found
Yeah, we're gonna start it again. Do we ain't again? Edit lick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, double C.
When Bobby going to Santa Claus Bobby going to when Don Marching Llewellyn Santa Claus marching Llewellyn Llewellyn we do Santa Claus Santa Claus Santa Claus Megudadel when Don watching
715001234.
Get set up and I can go to another community.
We're set up right now.
Okay, perfect. Take it away.
Yay! Look, a couple more seconds. One more second. One more second.
Wait, I'm trying. Come on.
Come on.
Sorry, Blair.
We're like almost done. Yeah. Like soon. Don't go to another one.
Maybe, Blair, maybe you should get back to us in a couple minutes.
No problem. All right, we're gonna go to. Can you mute your microphone, Miss Paulette? Can you mute the microphone?
Okay.
Bye. We'll
See you soon. All right, can we go to Allison Bernard Memorial High School, Mr. Chesson? Are you all set up? Can you unmute your microphone? Do you need a couple more minutes, Carter? I don't think that he hears me. All right, we're going to go to Member 2 School. Miss Gugu, grade 1. Are you online?
Right here. Probably right here.
Hello. Miss Gugu, are you online for Member 2 School? Here you are. So we have grade 1s here with us today, singing 3 songs. Oh, Sohanjij and Frosty the Snowman. Oh, sorry, 2 songs. Take it away, Member 2.
Frosty the snowman with a jolly happy soul, with a corn hop like and a button nose and twice made out of coal. Frosty the snowman, with his lovely tail they say, it was made of snow, but the children know how it came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that lonesome happened fast. So when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty Snowman was warm as he could be. When the children sang, he could laugh and play, just the same as you and me. Frosty Snowman, his heart was hot that day. So Santa Claus had some questions before I melt away. I stood a village with a glow stick in his hand. I could never swear, and see if you can. Down the streets of town until the traffic calmed. The only place that traffic free, you heard him holler, stop, stop. Frosty the snowman had a party on his sleigh. So don't cry, don't you cry, I'll be back again someday. Dum dum dumpity dum dum dum, let Frosty go. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum, over the hills of snow.
Now we got snowman.
Oh, well done. Good
Well
job.
done. Hiluk Delada Hadio. All right, so we're going to go back to Wegoma School. Can you unmute your microphone?
Okay.
Perfect. Take it away.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Mechanic, you guys ready?
Ano na?
I'm so scared. I know. I'm not.
That was so awesome. We had a lot of other different communities dance as well. All right, up next we have our last live performance, and then we're going to switch to some video performances. Allison Bernard Memorial High School, Carter Chesson, are you online and set up?
Carter.
I tried to text him.
Oh, okay.
Are they playing?
I think their systems are on mute. Oh, you're on mute, Carter.
He's not even acknowledging that he
I see Eskasoni playing, however, we can't hear what they're playing. He looked and he... Carter? he looks over and then... Oh, receiving content.
Oh,
All right, I suppose we're going to switch over to a video while we get Eskasoni on the line. Here is Eskasoni Sideda Hank Daycare singing to us two songs, Jijuechko and Gesig Nadegeg. So we'll take it away with Eskasoni Daycare. All right, back to you, Carter. Can you hear me? Perfect. All right, so we have grade 10, instrumental, Silent Night, and Jolly Old Saint Nick. Take it away, Eskasoni High School.
What are you playing first?
Silent Night. I should point out that this features Hannah Lewis on the rhythm guitar. No pressure, Hannah. No pressure. Here we go, guys. Ready?
Oh, they good.
A one.
Hannah Banana.
A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2.
Beautiful. Great job. And great job to Hannah.
Yeah, we're doing one more. Yeah. We're doing. Okay, go back up.
I thought we were supposed to like John.
You said it like 3 or 4 times.
No, she says like John.
You weren't. She said cool. All right, here we go. You ready? All right, here we go. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3.
Beautiful.
You'll have to tell Mary to let go of that phone. Thank you very much. Walaliek.
Hi, Oz.
Willie nibi ala sudumadi dosep. Eda will diegum sid when judge again will again well dig. Thank you to my co-host, Alwyn, my clicky pen Alwyn.
tapping away.
But we got good participation this year, one of the highest numbers that we've seen. We're so excited to bring this concert to you year after year. And until next year, or maybe a future concert, we'll see you again. Well, all the